Is this the best hopper restaurant in Australia? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. What is a hopper, you ask? Hoppers, or appa as they are known in Sri Lanka, are a beloved Sri Lankan dish with a rich history. Thought to have originated from South India, hoppers have been a staple in Sri Lankan cuisine for centuries. The batter is made from rice flour and coconut milk, fermented overnight to create a unique, slightly tangy flavor. Hoppers can be traced back to the influence of Indian immigrants and traders who brought their culinary traditions to the island. Over time, Sri Lankans made hoppers their own, creating variations like the egg hopper, string hoppers, and even the honey hopper. They've become a quintessential part of Sri Lankan breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The Hopper Joint is an 80-seater sanctuary dedicated to celebrating Sri Lankan cuisine and culture, promising an electrifying hopper party every night. The space is a love letter to the tropical modernism of Jeffrey Bawa, interwoven with personal tales and aesthetic nuances that mark the journey of the owners. Every piece, from the custom-made rattan chairs to antique chandeliers sourced from Valigama, a beautiful beachside town, and the marigold linen serviettes, carries a piece of Sri Lanka, carefully curated and brought over the seas to find its new home in Australia. The menu is a tapestry of hoppers, curries, sambols, and desserts, each evoking memories from family gatherings, laughter, and love. The open kitchen, the heart of the Hopper Joint, is where the magic happens. This is where the traditional meets the theatrical, inviting you to witness the artistry of hopper making up close and personal. The Hopper Joint celebrates the tactile joy of eating with hands, a communal tradition that binds all of us together. Complete with a bespoke basin for washing hands and illustrated guides that step you through the art of this practice. Each guest must dine on their traditional hopper set. This is an individually plated meal that includes one egg hopper and unlimited plain hoppers, Sini Sambol, Whole Sambol, and your choice of 2 curries. And then there's the plentiful twist of the antique brass bell at each table. It's a connection to a custom from back home, inviting interaction and a bit of cheeky fun, with a gentle reminder that with great power comes great responsibility. When you are ready for more plain hoppers to be served, ring the bell and they will be delivered to your table. Let me know what you think of this experience in the comments, and I would love to know how you rank this against the other wonderful Sri Lankan restaurants in Australia.